Dito kami ngayon sa ano, no? Dito kami ngayon sa Ford.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years gone by, but I think about you all the time.
Welcome to another vlog. We're back at it again. Nasa staycation tayo. We are now here at High Residences Condominiums and nasa Unit 120 kami. You guys know that I post about travel and lifestyle, so I just want to help you guys find more options for places na kung saan kayo pupunta. Today is kind of different. Giging speaker po tayo sa workshop na ito, guys. So, God bless us. Kasama ko po dito ngayon si Shine. Ayan siya. Hi, Shine. Hello. Ito si Jor. Hi. Ano masasabi mo? Hindi ko alam kung sino pupunta pa. May pupunta ba naman talaga o wala? Dito na yung food namin, guys. Bangus. Bangus din sa kanya. Yes. And
Collaboration yung ganda.
and also, ayan, yung lechon kawali. Binigay nila sa amin to. Nagulat ako. Sabi ko, ano yan? Yun pala nilagay ng ano, ng bill. Kaya tayong lunch. We are gonna go down here. Okay, so dito na kami now sa loob ng conference room.
How to get?
Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me?
Okay, so tapos na yung workshop. Kamusta naman yung workshop? Maging mabait kayo, ha? Hi, yeah. Mom, look,
Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years gone by, but I think about you all the time.
Yes, please.
Looks like you're changing it all. Why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air.
The thing about the driving skills for life is this is basically what's different from the other driver education programs. A lot of the things that we offer here are actually quite new and relevant to Philippine roads as well.
Tapos na yung Ford players ng binigay na Ford look. So we're here with Lagawan Kids!
Ano naman?
Ano naman? Expect more Lagawan Kids in the vlog! Now we're gonna go sa
Topic sa conference is about kung paano maka-consume ng content while driving. Tapos kung paano drive yung and sa Thursday, yung ano ko lang nilook forward to is features ng sasakyan kasi hindi ko naabutan kung paano in-explain yung features ng sasakyan.
We are now here at Ayala. Papunta na kami ng Coffee Bean. We're here!
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand
Nakuha
tall.
na namin yung mga drinks namin.
So why didn't you?
So, nakuha ko na yung Monday's Make Better drink ko. This is their feature drink, guys. So, if you are going to bring your own tumbler, you get this for only 100 pesos. Kaya kaming mga drinks pa dyan. Bibigay namin kay Mama. Yung isang drink.
Giveaway ngayon. Drive lang.
If you want to have your own drink, comment down below. Follow nyo si Durian TV.
Sa Instagram mo na lang ako YouTube.
Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you?
Now we are here at the Ford showroom sa Talisay. We have our breakfast here. They got us breakfast and I changed my shirt. As you can see, I'm already wearing the Ford shirt, guys. Good morning! Mga ibang kasama namin, guys. And also over here, guys, is like an agreement that we have to decide. And guys, so just checking out my IG stories. This morning, we hit 25k sa stream and I'm hosting this Mobile Legends skin giveaway. Kanina pinost ko to eh. That's 35,000 of us. OMG. 25,000. Thank you, guys.
Why didn't you call?
Alright guys, so we're done with the photo op. We are off to the test drive. Very excited about this.
Sa wild grabs during Sir Dennis at saka si MISSGEE.
So kanina pa kami naghahanap ng headlight kung saan yung pwede i-on and i-off. So andyan lang pala sa gilid, guys.
If you guys want to watch the rest of the vlog of the things that happened here at our Fort Media Drive, you can watch the whole vlog in a separate video para hindi naman masyadong drag yung video na ito, guys. But later, I'm gonna check in with you guys. Pakita sa inyo what we're gonna do at night. So we are currently doing the beauty shots for the cars.
Dito kami ngayon sa ano no? Dito kami ngayon sa Ford. Hindi pala sa Stone Peak. Kikita mo yung tatlong yon. I-interviewin namin, okay?
How was your Ford driving experience?
As someone who loves to travel a lot,
Tapos na yung interview, guys. Ngayon ay kakain na tayo.
Di ba, Alex? Kami
Sir,
lang.
nice to meet you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, so nakarating na kami sa La Vista Highlands. Punta na kami ngayon sa room. Sobrang saya ko talaga dito, guys. And basically, ganito lang yung mga ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. Also, later on pala, sa October, I'm gonna be even busier. So, that is why yung sinabi ko last time sa stream na baka mag-lie-low na ako sa pag-stream on Google because I am going to be busy. But guys, I will be having game streams on my Facebook page. So make sure to like my page para dun tayo magkita-kita every Sunday at 9 PM. Kasi guys, alam nyo yun, magkakaroon ako ng mga ibang responsibilities. I know that streaming is really a crucial part of my life. Like, I've been doing it for the past 4 years. Although I will still be doing it, but not as frequent as I have been doing it. But guys, sorry happy. Pero feeling ko maglulubat na yung battery ko, guys. Hindi ko matatapos yung i-thread with me. Tatalin ko na lang kayo sa ilalim. But anyway, mag-outro na lang ako tungkol sa Ford mamaya. Today is Saturday and I am about to leave because we're gonna go to Campo Hiya-Hiya. Today we are off to another adventure. Gusto ko lang talaga ma-experience yung glamping sa lugar na to, guys. So, dadalhin ko kayo. Ito yung aso ko. Baby! Bye! Bye-bye! So, this is the winter melon milk tea.
At ito yung straw nila sa winter melon.
Yeah, yung pearl hindi pa pasok dyan. Hingi ka na lang. Lagawan kitty, grapes, and then... Lagawan sister.
Winter sugar road.
Kasi yung sinasabi ng McDo daw, hindi naman nila specialty yung milk tea. Hindi naman yun yung pinaggayabang nila. Medyo okay naman siya, guys. Pero hindi ko talaga mag-gets yung lasa. Parang okay din naman pala yung lasa niya pag i-steer mo lang. Anong hinalo ko na siya, guys?
Hindi ako tayo.
Sama yung ice cream and yung brown sugar. Okay naman yung lasa.
Happy day, leave out your better days. The sun is out, get a cup of coffee. One for you and me. About time for us to go.
So guys, I'm gonna give you a glimpse of how it looks like inside the glamping tent. Meron tayo ditong pole. This is the pole that holds everything together. May beds. Pwede kayo mag-request depending on how many guests.
So close your eyes now. Take a deep breath. When the world is watching you and me today, honey, you won't make my hand and fly away. Oh, 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 oh. Take a risk, take a stand. Time for us to raise our hands up to the skies. In the world that's full of hows and whys, and where the fools are covers. Oh, 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 baby, I don't understand how we can be so blind sometimes. Oh, hey, raise your hands up to the skies. Let all the dreamers soar